Hey everyone, welcome to NextGen Coding, where beginners become real web developers, one step at a time. If you're watching from the US or anywhere around the world, this is your starting point to entering the tech world. Whether your goal is to start a tech career, work from home, build modern websites, become a freelancer, or make online income with coding, you're in the right place. This series will take you from absolute beginner to confident web developer, starting with the foundations and moving into real-world projects. Over the next few months, you're going to learn HTML, the foundation of every website, CSS, making designs look clean, modern, and professional, JavaScript, the magic behind interactivity, responsive design, build websites that look amazing on phones, tablets, and laptops, real projects, portfolio, landing pages, apps, UI components, deployment. Put your website live on the internet. By the time you finish this series, you'll be able to build your own portfolio, product landing pages, mobile-friendly websites, interactive apps, even small games. And you'll have the skills to start freelancing or applying for junior developer roles. So if you're ready to learn real web development, not boring theory, but practical, hands-on coding, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because episode 1 starts right now. Let's begin with the foundation of everything on the web. HTML, the structure of the internet. Let's jump in.